visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
So, maiba naman tayo ha. This is about your manifestations, no? I'm going to use the word energy. Energy may be a career. Energy may be abundance. Energy may be a person, no? Or it could also be a love life. Shadow. Oh. So, meron tayong mga nakikitang somewhat, no, challenges about the manifestations dito sa energy na ito. Sabihin natin, parang feeling natin, no, kung ano man itong minamanifest natin, hindi siya ganun kadali, no. Merong mga times na siguro nawawalan tayo ng pag-asa, may mga times na siguro merong mga pagkakataon na wag na nga lang kaya, no? Kahit ipagdasal, kahit siguro minsan tinatamad na tayo, no, i-wish, parang ayaw na nating gawin. Pero on the other hand, nandito kasi yung sinasabi nating, sige gagawin ko na lang for the sake of, nasimulan ko na eh. Ang mahirap kasi dito, kasi when it comes to manifestations, dapat certain ka, no? You're giving mixed signals sa gusto mong mangyari, 'di ba? Law of attractions needs for you to be very certain of what you want, no? Kung pwedeng exact, no? Pero kasi yung sinasabi mo iba din sa nararamdaman mo. So that's actually an opposite, no? Nalilito. Ang universe, ano ba ang ibibigay niya sa'yo? With the Eight of Wands, the King of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. I feel like meron ditong mga taong alam mo yung sinasabi nilang evil eye. Totoo yung kapag meron kang gustong mangyari, wag mo munang sabihin. Kung meron kang gustong mangyari, wag mo munang ikwento, no? Sarilinin mo muna. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao would want you to win. Hindi lahat ng tao would love to see you celebrate. Yung iba nakikinig lang, no? Kunyari, pabor, no? Pumapalakpak, pero behind, their subconscious, parang hindi naman matutupad yan, hindi naman yan mangyayari. So, kumbaga nababalis, yung nauusog, kumbaga. So, much better kung sasarilinin mo. Yung iba, I feel like kapag kinuwentuhan mo, kukontrahin agad. Meron agad silang mga hanash, no, na hindi maganda. I feel like something is about to happen in here na kung mag-ingat ka sa kinikwentuhan mo. Kasi with the Queen of Wands, talagang brutally honest tayo, no, sa nangyayari, I think baka nagpo-post pa tayo kasi Eight of Wands in here, no, yung balang araw makakapunta ko dyan, or balang araw magiging akin ka din, no, yung mga ganyan. It felt like meron mga tao na sabi, ay, ilusyonada, no, hindi naman niya talaga, social climber, yan yung mga ganyan. With the the Nine of Pentacles and the Empress, that it has, I think that it has to do something with a person. It could also be a person that you would love, either makaututang dila, either makasama, whether this is friendship, whether this is romantic as well. It could also be a travel in here. Something is about to be manifested. I think that you're going to harvest this when? Not really very soon. So, let's say December, no? By August pa. Pero keep doing what you're doing kasi pinanghihinaan tayo ng loob eh. Pwede pa itong bumilis, no? Pwede pang bumilis yung manifestations mo kaso nagtatalo yung nasa isip eh. You have to be very certain para mas mapabilis ito, no? You have to be very certain para mas mapabilis. This approximate time might change depending on how you're going parang alisin yung cork, no? Yung weight dito sa manifestations mo. But then again, this is your reading. Let's check your zodiac sign. This might be your sun sign or a placement in your chart. Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Gemini. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Libra, Aries. I am seeing Aquarius. So this is your reading. Oh, and Capricorn. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You